Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 9/7 to 9/13. Guys, we are already into September and almost 2 weeks in. That's the scary part. And in Illinois, we are freezing, okay? Already we're down to like 57, 45 degrees. So, hey, we're here. Okay, so first of all, let's get right into it with the Frito-Lay's 18 packs. They gave us a $2.45 coupon, $8. So that is a good price, unless we was doing the buy 2 Lays and get that box free. But we're not, so that actually is a good price for that. 3 for $3 for the Powerade. That's good. Hopefully they'll give us a coupon or instant, and that'll work better. These are 2 for $6, which is, usually I'll hold off if I don't need those. The Folgers $12.95 K-Cups for 24 count. That actually is a good deal. But if, again, we had a clearance. If you didn't grab that coffee, you should have, guys. 4 for $8 for the cereal. These are the general meals. Yes, and hopefully we get a coupon for it, all right? Now, we also have the spend 30, save 5 on the game products with a $2 digital coupon. Hopefully that'll work out good on those game products right there. Then they did give us a spend 20, save 5 on the all Purex Snuggle Persil. Now, we just had, today is the last day for the spend 15, save 5. So if you did that deal, I will probably skip the spend 20, save 5 because that's really expensive, and just use that $1.25 coupon to get that Purex for $2.50. That is an awesome hot deal right there. But also, guys, I want you to pay attention. I don't gatekeep. Walgreens will have a better Purex deal coming up on Sunday, $1.97. That is a steal, okay? Now we have the $4 off Tide coupon, which was an awesome coupon. They also gave us a $1 manufacturer. I did get that coupon, guys, but I didn't get it until Friday night. Now, here's the deal I like. Spend 20, save 5 on the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent products. I love this. Now, I don't think we had any Arm & Hammer coupons. So this deal right here, hopefully they'll probably have some cash backs for us, okay? Then we have that $1 off on the tissue for True Living Wipe with Whole Off. Now, this $1 off on the Scott tissue and paper towel, that's a good deal. Guys, I actually ran out of paper towel. So some of my deals is going to be loaded with paper towel because I am truly, truly afraid that I let that happen. Spend 14, save 2. Oh my God, guys, look at that inflation. Spend 14 and save $2. That's inflation. So here it is for 3 for 13 for the Pepsi and Mountain Dews. Then you had a 3 for 15 for the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-pack bottles. Make it 3 for 13 again. 3 for $4 on the Gatorade. Gatorade last day 5 for 5. Okay. Then we do have that digital plug-in coupon for free. And you guys go and watch my 5 off 25 deal, the one for 97 cents. I go over a lot of freebies in there, guys. Then we have the Glade, a $2 off coupon, making it 4. And then they do still have the Don buy 2, get 1 free. We love that coupon right here. And then it's $1.50 off on the Tide. Oh, that haven't been here in a long time. So I think that's a good deal, especially if you do Tide. All right, then you have that coupon for $1.50 off of Angel Soft. Okay, the Mott's is $4.95. This is $3 for the Kellogg's Eggo. The Armor All is $4. It's $3.25 for the Pillsbury. It's $4.75 for the Smithfield. You guys know I'll be grabbing these Eggos, okay, for the boys. And then we have the Serps. They're just doing a versus right there. Spend 9, save 3 on the crackers and the cookies right there. The games are coming up, so grab those crackers, guys, for the game. 2 for 5 on the Gushers, 2 for 8 on the Fundables. Then you have the 2 for 8 on the Rice Krispie Treats. That's a good deal right there, guys. You could early activate that. You could early activate the Eggo. So it's a couple of things in here you can early. Oh, here, the 4 for 4 mac and cheese, early activation. The 2 for 7 Prego. They kind of cheated us. They went up with inflation with the Prego. $1.85 for the Barilla. Then game day deals are right here. The Dasani water is $3.75 with that coupon. Buy 2, get 1 free Celsius. 2 for 5 on the salsa. Guess what, guys? I made my first batch of salsa out of my garden. So I will not be buying that anymore. Yay! Okay, let's go right here to the Gain. They gave us a $3 coupon for the Gain. Oh, they gave us one for the Downy and the Gain detergent. So that's a good deal. Then they gave us the 50-cent for the Tide Simply. And the $2.50 coupon is back for the Gain Tango. Then you also have, oh, you got a couple. Oh, they finally gave us some for the Swiffers, $2. $1 on the Lysol, 75-cent coupon on the Lysol multi-spray, $2 on the Mr. Clean. Then we had that $5 off on the Swiffers. Okay, $1 off on the Sherman. Check and see if that dollar coupon will work in the dollar aisle on that one roll of tissue if you want to. Now we do have 4 off 2 Colgates, 4 off 2 on the Dove. Then we also have the $3 off on the any Gillette deals. We come down here. The diaper deals are all, oh, those are some awesome diaper deals, guys. All of them. Okay, then we have the ice cream for $4, 2 for $8 on the Cheetos, $2 on the Pepsi or Mountain Dew off on that. That ain't good. That's only one bottle. 1 pack, 18 pack. Then we have the 2 for $10 on the Red Baron. That's a good deal. The Arby's fries, that's an early activate if you want to. And then you can early activate on the chips. And then we have the Hanes shirts to save the 3 for $12, instantly save $3 on the underwear. And then get ready, guys, because they're going to start putting all of their summer on sale. They have a 3-day sale coming up 9/11 to 9/12 and 13. Buy one, get one free, 3 days only on summer. Early activation, guys. What you can do, you can early activate the Powerade, early activate the cereal. You can early activate the 2 for $6 Lay's. Then over here, these are all coupons, so you might have to wait for the coupons. I'm pretty sure you do. All of the stuff that is giving you, now this is an instant savings, so you can early activate this. If you have a coupon expiring, people ask me what was early activation. Early activation starts after 7 p.m. on Saturday. That is when the 5 off 25 and the new ad collide with each other. That is when you use the early activation, okay? A couple of those times you can do that. It's an awesome deal right there. Now, what you cannot early activate, you cannot early activate a coupon. Like this is a digital coupon. You can't early activate that. These coupons right here, these was already here. So you don't even have to worry about that. You wouldn't be able to early activate this coupon right here, guys, okay? So it's learning the difference of what you can early activate. Some people told me they went in the store and tried to early activate with a coupon. Didn't work. No, because those coupons are going to turn over the next day. That means after 12 midnight, okay? Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon account. We don't gatekeep. Bye.